Welcome to the first part of my Smart Greenhouse System series. In this project, we'll build an automated greenhouse that monitors and controls plant care using sensors, cameras, and AI-powered recommendations. The system will keep track of critical factors like light, humidity, CO2 level, and even detect pests early, making real-time adjustments to optimize plant growth and health. Now that you know what we're building, let's dive into the key components and how they work together in the smart greenhouse system. At the core of the system is the ESP32 microcontroller, which processes all the data and controls the devices inside the greenhouse. It's the brain of the operation. Next, we have the RS485 soil sensor, which tracks essential soil conditions, such as soil moisture for monitoring water level, temperature to ensure optimal plant growth, humidity to keep the environment balanced, and NPK levels to measure critical nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The CO2 sensor monitors air quality by measuring carbon dioxide levels, and the light sensor ensures your plants are getting enough sunlight. One of the most important features is the camera. The cameras monitor plant health and growth in real time. They send footage to the cloud where AI-powered algorithms analyze the data. The AI helps with early pest detection, recognizes plant stress, and suggests adjustments to optimize growth. All the data collected from these sensors and cameras goes through the ESP32, which controls the fans, lights, vents, and water pump. These actuators respond automatically, adjusting conditions to maintain the perfect environment for your plants. The system also supports remote monitoring via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to check in on your greenhouse and make changes from anywhere using your smartphone or PC. Finally, every piece of data is processed in real time, which means the system can provide immediate feedback and suggestions to keep your plants thriving. Now that we have covered how the system works, let's quickly summarize the key features of the smart greenhouse system. Automated plant care. The system automatically controls watering, lighting, and ventilation based on real-time data from the sensors and cameras, so your plants get the care they need without manual intervention. Early pest detection. The cameras monitor plant health, detecting pests early and sending real-time recommendations to prevent infestation and keep your plant healthy. AI-powered monitoring. The system uses AI to analyze the data from the cameras and sensors, providing recommendations to optimize plant growth, like adjusting water, nutrients, or light levels. Remote monitoring. With built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can monitor your greenhouse condition from anywhere using your smartphone or PC, giving you complete control even when you're not there. Customizable setting. You can easily adjust the system's settings, including threshold for when to activate the fan, lights, or water pump based on the specific needs of your plants. Real-time data. All data is processed in real time, helping you make informed decisions about plant care and receive updates instantly. Now, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're interested in the components used for this project, you can find affiliates links to all the products mentioned in the video description below. By purchasing through these links, you'll also help support this channel. Thank you.